Okay, so I'm going to be doing the extension for number 8 on the quiz that we took on logs and exponents. So it would be number 8 on the white form. I'm doing extension of this problem. So to the problem that I'm doing is shown here. It's 3 to the power of log base 3 of x squared plus x to the power of log base 3 of x is equal to 162. So because you see that they have log base 3 of x in both of them, I thought that it would be easier if we replaced that with a different variable like 3 to the power of y. It would also serve to inverse the functions of log because log and exponents are inverse functions. So it would simplify your entire equation. It would sort of get rid of the logs with and replace them with exponents instead. And once you plug in 3 to the power of y for every x, you get 3y squared plus 3y squared 3y squared 3 to the power of y squared plus 3 to the power of y squared is equal to 162. And then because you see that they're both equal, you can put a 2 in front, and it's just 2 times 3 to the y squared equals to 162. And after simplifying that, after dividing 2 on both sides, you're left with 3 to the power of y squared equals 81. And you know that 3 to the power of 4 is equal to 81. So y squared, which is your power in this case, must equal to 4. So when you take the square root of both sides, because it's a square, it has a plus or minus. So y is equal to the plus or minus 2. And because y is not your final answer, because remember we substituted x with 3 to the power of y, you have to replace that back after you solve y. So y would simply go back here. It would go 3 to the power of 2 or 3 to the power of negative 2 is equal to x. And this is 9 or 1 over 9. And when you plug it back into these equations, you can check it manually or check it with a calculator. You would get 81 plus 81 equals to 162.